Very good morning to all the students. This is your maths class. Come to exercise 6E. Open up page number 43 in your book. Students, in the last video, we have discussed up to question number 6. Now, in this video, we will discuss how to solve question number 7 to 11. Okay, so now get ready fast. Open up your notebook, mention today's date, and write exercise 6E question number 7 to 11. Okay, so now we will read question number 7. Now read the question first of all. How many hours are there in a month of January? What he is asking? He is asking about hours. Okay, you know one day has 24 hours. So he is asking about total hours in the month of January. So, is there any particular solution so that we can remember the number of hours in January? No, ऐसा नहीं होता है. हमें नहीं पता कि January month में कितने hours होते हैं. So, how we will solve it? There is a particular method. First of all, students, we need to find out the number of days in the month of January. Do you have any idea how many days are present in January, in the month of January? So students, first of all, there are 31 days in the month of January. Okay, 31 days. And you know, one day has how many hours? 24 hours, right? So, if we know the value of one day, then we will calculate the value of 31 days. So, the idea of question is clear to you. We will find out the number of hours in 31 days by multiplying 24 with 31. Okay, now let's solve it. But the question is how we will write the statement. Okay, so take help from your book. It is written, how many hours are there in a month of January? So we will start with the number of days in the month of January. So how we will do? We will write like this: total number of days in January, that is 31. Now number of hours in one day में कितने hours होते हैं? Equals to 24. Okay, now we will have to calculate number of hours in the month of January. So we will write number of hours in January. Students, आप अपने आप एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. अगर आपको स्पेस नहीं मिल रहा है प्रॉपरली तो यू कैन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, वहीं पर लिखने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे. In January, how we will calculate? We will calculate it by multiplying 31 with 24. Now half of the question has been completed. Okay, now what we will do? We will perform the multiplication. Write the digits, perform the multiplication. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now it's time for 2, 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6. Now we will add them. What we will write here? Do the sum. 4, it will become 744. So the right answer is, how we will write? We will write simple language. There are 744 hours in January. Now the solution is clear to you. Now students, come to question number 8. Each class in a school has 3 sections. Here we are talking about a school जिसके अंदर कितनी classes हैं? 1 से लेके 10 तक की. तो how many classes are there? There are 10 classes. Okay, there are 10 classes. So each class has 3 sections. हर एक class के कितने sections हैं? 3 sections है. जैसे first A, first B, first C. Second A, second B, second C. Third A, third B and third C and so on. Okay, so each class has 3 sections. एंड ईच सेक्शन हैज़ 40 स्टूडेंट्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 10 क्लासेस हैं. हर एक क्लास में कितने सेक्शंस हैं? 3 सेक्शंस हैं. थर्ड ए बी सी, फोर्थ ए बी सी, फिफ्थ ए बी एंड सी. ओके. एंड इन वन सेक्शन में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? देयर आर 40 स्टूडेंट्स. Now what we have to find? We have to find out the total number of students in a class. हमें 1 से लेके 10 तक स्कूल में each and every section काउंट करके कितने total students हैं we have to calculate. Now students, this is very simple. Just think about it. There are 3 sections and 10 classes. So first of all we will multiply 10 with 3 to get total number of sections. Okay. And then what? We will receive the answer. When we receive the answer, then we will multiply it with 40. Because in one section there are 40 students. So in how many sections there are total number of students? We need to calculate. Now let's do it in the notebook. Start with it. Write question number 8. First of all, we have to think about the language also. So now we will write number of classes in a school. You will write total number of classes in a school. How many? That is 10. Okay. Now number of sections. In one class each बोला है ना, तो one class मतलब each means one class में कितने sections हैं? 3. Okay, so we will do number, it is U. Okay, number of sections in 10 classes. So we will write as 10 multiplied by 3. It is very simple. We will write 30 here. Got the point now? Now students, अभी हमें क्या बोला है? Each section has 40 students. So we will write number of students in one section. वन सेक्शन में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 40. ओके. एंड हमारे पास कितने सेक्शंस आए हैं? 30. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन 30 sections will be equals to 40 multiplied by 30. Now it is very easy. First of all, multiply 4 with 3. It will become 4 3s are 12 and then put 2 zeros. It is very easy. So we will write the answer. There are 1200 students in the school. Because हमसे क्या पूछा था? टोटल स्कूल में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं. सो हमें पता चल गया है. गॉट द आंसर नाउ. आई होप इट इज़ वेरी इजी. ओके. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर देयर इन अ वीक? व्हाट ही इज आस्किंग? ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट मिनट्स इन अ वीक. हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन अ वीक? आंसर इज वेरी इजी. देयर आर 7 days in a week. Okay. So students, हमारे पास में 7 days होते हैं. कितने में? 1 week में. ठीक है. How many minutes are there in a week? He is asking about minutes. 7 days में कितने minutes होते हैं? He is asking. So first of all students, हमें 1 day का पता होना चाहिए, तभी तो हम 7 days का कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So first of all हम लिखेंगे कि 1 day में कितने minutes होते हैं एंड देन 7 days में कितने होते हैं. तो 1 day के लिए व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? सो फॉर डैट स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें ये देखना होगा कि वन डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं, 24 आवर्स होते हैं, एंड वन आवर में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं, 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. तो द स्टोरी इज़ वेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इन वन डे, and from that we will calculate the number of minutes in one day, and when we get the total number of minutes in one day, then we will calculate the number of minutes in 7 days. Okay, now let's start this question. Write question number 9. Okay, first of all we will write number of days in a week. Number of days in a week equals to 7. Okay, now one day equals to 24 hours, right? 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं, 60 मिनट्स. So 24 hours is equals to 24 multiplied by 60 minutes. Okay, now perform the multiplication. 24 by 60. Now do it. 0 0 0 4 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 6 4 is 24, 2 carry, 6 2 is 12, and 2 14. Now add them. Oh, I'm sorry, it is written from 0, then 4, then 4, but it's okay, again it is 1. Okay, now so these are the minutes in 24 hours. वन डे के टोटल मिनट्स आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल राइट वन डे इक्वल्स टू इतने मिनट्स. वन डे में कितने मिनट्स आ रहे हैं, टोटल आ रहे हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट 7 डेज. 7 डेज में कितने मिनट्स होंगे, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय, okay, you can do it in either way. Now first of all we will write multiplied by 7. We can do it. Okay, 7 0 is 0, 7 4 is 28, 2 carry, 7 4 is 28, 28 and 2 it will become 30, then it will become 3, 7 1 is 7, and 3 10. So what is the final answer? We have got this minutes. These are the total minutes in 7 days. Okay, so we will write the answer. There are minutes in 7 days. Okay, got the answer now? There is a reduction, we should do this because it is about one day. So one day 1440 minutes. So what about 7 days? We will multiply it. Got the answer? I hope it is clear to you. Now it's time for question number 10. How many seconds are there in 5 hours? It is same as the above question. Okay, the story is same but the things are different. Here is talking about seconds in 5 hours. So first of all we should understand how to calculate the number of seconds in 1 hour. 1 hour में कितने seconds होते हैं? How we will calculate? तो minutes will help us to do so. How we will write? First of all students, we should understand that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, so in 5 hours how many minutes are there? First of all we will multiply 60 with 5. You are getting my point? पहले मेरी बात को समझिए. ठीक है, हमारे पास 1 आवर में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं, 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. तो 5 आवर्स में कितने मिनट्स होंगे, 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 60. जब हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा तो हमारे पास क्या आ चुका होगा, टोटल नंबर ऑफ मिनट्स आ चुके होंगे 5 आवर्स में. एंड देन वी विल यूज़ अनदर फॉर्मूला टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द सेकेंड्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट in your notebook. First of all, how we will write question number 10. The language is very simple. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं अपना लगाना है इसमें आपको सिर्फ कुछ नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू राइट इन सिंपल वे. ठीक है, कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 1 hour. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. ठीक है, सो 5 आवर्स में कितने मिनट्स हो जाएंगे? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 60 विद 5. ओके, ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है मिनट्स की, मिन्स. ठीक है, इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट इन complete spelling then you can write, otherwise it is also okay. So we will think it as mins. Right, now the multiplication is very easy. First of all, multiply 6 with 5. 6 5s are 30 and put this 0 here. It will become 300 minutes. So in 5 hours there are 300 minutes. Okay, now the story is very simple. Now 1 hour has we have to think about minutes now. Sorry, we will write 1 minute. 1 minute has, because we have got the minutes ना, यहाँ पे हमें minutes मिले हैं, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So in 300 minutes, how many seconds will be there? In 300 minutes will be equals to 300 multiplied by 60 seconds. I hope you are getting the question. Now again the multiplication is very simple. You have already studied it. 3 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are 18 and put these 3 zeros after it. Because हमने आपको दोनों तरह की multiplication सिखाई है. Whenever we got such values, then we can simply multiply these whole numbers and then after that we can put the zeros. Okay, so the story is very simple. I hope you got the answer now. So the final answer will be, so students, आपने यहाँ पे देखा होगा, यहाँ पे आपको 2 स्टेप्स में होकर चलना पड़ रहा है. ठीक है, इस वाले क्वेश्चन में भी और इससे पहले वाले में भी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया? वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड नंबर ऑफ मिनट्स in 5 hours, and then from 1 minute again we calculate number of minutes in 300, number of seconds in 300 minutes. So there is multiplication 2 times. So try to understand these 2 questions very carefully. So we will write the final answer. We will write there are 18,000 seconds in 5 hours. We should take help from the question to write the language. He is asking about how many hours are there in 5, how many seconds are there in 5 hours. So we have written there are 18,000 seconds in 5 hours. Getting the point now? Come to question number 11. Now question number 11. 4 photos can be printed on a sheet of paper. How many photos can be printed on one sheet? That is 4. How many photos can you print with 6 reams? Reams you all have understood. In the yesterday's video I have told you, जो आपका पूरा पैकेज आता है मार्केट में reams का, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पेपर्स जिसके अंदर होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रीम्स. तो 1 रीम में कितनी शीट्स होती हैं? 500 शीट्स. ओके, सो ही इज आस्किंग कि अगर वन पेपर पे 4 फोटोज प्रिंट हो सकती हैं, तो बताइए 6 रीम्स जिसमें 500 पेपर्स होते हैं, 500 शीट्स होती हैं, उन पे कितनी फ़ोटोज़ प्रिंट होंगी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 1 रीम में कितनी शीट्स होती हैं? 500 शीट्स. ठीक है, तो 6 रीम्स में कितनी हो जाएंगी? 500 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. एंड वन शीट पे कितनी फोटोज आती हैं? इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. वन शीट पे कितनी फोटोज दे रखी हैं आपको? सी 4 दे रखी हैं. सो इतनी शीट्स पे कितनी आएंगी? वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. वी विल write question number 11. We will write 1 ream is equals to 500 sheets. Okay, so 6 reams is equals to 6 reams में कितनी sheets हो जाएंगी students? It is very easy. Write 500 multiplied by 6 sheets. Now see it, multiplication is also very easy. Multiply 5 with 6. 5 6 are 30 and put these two zeros here. Shall I repeat it? Now see, first of all 1 ream में कितनी sheets होती हैं? 500. So question में कितनी reams दे रखी है? 6 reams. 6 reams में कितनी sheets आ जाएंगी? We have multiplied 500 with 6. So we have got what? We have got 3000 sheets. Now the question is very easy. So what he has told us, 4 photos can be printed on a sheet of paper. Means one sheet पे कितनी photos आ रही हैं? 4. So we will write number of photos printed on one sheet equals to 4. वन शीट पे कितनी फोटोज आ रही हैं? 4. सो अब हमारे पास कितनी शीट्स हैं टोटल? 3000 शीट्स हैं. सो वी विल राइट नंबर ऑफ फोटोज printed on 3000 sheets will be equals to, very easy, again 3000 multiplied by 4. It will become, multiplication is very easy. Multiply 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12 and put these 3 zeros together here. So what will be the final answer? We have got 12,000 sheets. 12,000 photos, sorry. So we will write finally that 12,000 photos can be printed on how many reams? 6 reams. It is very easy to understand that जब आप final answer देते हैं, you can take help from the last line of the question. Okay, so he is asking about how many photos can you print with 6 reams. So what you have to write? We have written 12,000 photos can be printed on 6 reams. That is simple. And now students, our exercise has been completed. Okay, now do this work in your notebook and practice it at your home. I hope each and every question is clear to you. If there is again any problem, any difficulty you are facing, you can simply message me. Okay, thank you so much.